Hi guys, welcome to AutoTecPro. Today we're introducing our newest Tesla screen for Porsche Macan. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the system and the feature that come with the system as well, okay? First of all, let's start from the hardware specification of the system first. This one comes the newest version of the Android 13, and it comes with the 8GB RAM and 128GB of the storage memory, okay? And this system also comes with the newest generation of the Qualcomm Snapdragon chipset. That means it also supports the 4G SIM card at the same time. You can insert the SIM card to access to the internet without connecting to the Wi-Fi hotspot of the cell phone. And of course, you can also share the Wi-Fi hotspot of the cell phone if you don't want to use the SIM card. Okay, you can also access to the internet by connecting to the Wi-Fi hotspot. At the same time, this system also comes with the wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So basically, you can just connect to your phone to the screen, and then you can access the navigation, make the phone call, listen to the music, anything. All right. So basically, it's fully loaded. Okay. So let's start from the radio first. Okay. This system also fully compatible with the original BOSE sound system. If your car comes with the BOSE sound system, that means you also come with a fiber optic amplifier. Okay. This system also comes with the built-in fiber optic module. You don't need to cut any wire. No modifications required. It's fully compatible with the original amplifier. Okay. And of course, it's also compatible with the stereo control. As you can see, you can also use this one. You can also use this one to control all the volume here. Let's try the sound. The sound is excellent. It's very clean. Okay. It also comes with the equalizer. Okay, I'm gonna show you this the equalizer way here. Okay, you can also adjust any setting based on your personal preference. All right, so as you can see, here come the pass filter. You come with all this kind of setting. If you mess up with any setting, just click on reset. Okay, and then all the setting will reset back to the factory status. All right, so click on home button right here, and then you will bring you back to the main screen. Okay, how to connect to the Wi-Fi? Just pull down the menu from the top and then hold the Wi-Fi icon here, and then you can connect to the Wi-Fi. Once you connect to the Wi-Fi, then you can access to all the application. You can see it's very smooth. Okay, it's very fast. All right, so basically you can, for example, let's try it. This is the YouTube app right here, and other than that, of course, you can also connect to the Wi-Fi, and then you can access the Netflix right here. This is the Netflix. All right, if you have the Netflix account, you can also log into the Netflix, and then you can enjoy the video. Of course, this feature is mostly just for the passenger. Okay, the driver better to focus on driving, right? Okay, and other than that, you can also install any application to the unit as well. Just log into the Google App Store, and then you will be able to download any of the application like the Instagram, YouTube, Spotify, TuneIn Radio, YouTube Music. All this kind of applications fully compatible. Okay, and this is the 2B. Basically, you can also watch all the movie right here. Okay. And of course, this one also comes the built-in offline navigation. All right, so you can download any of the navigation application right here. Okay, so as you can see, this is the newest version of the Google Map. Okay, click on here, and then you will locate the map here. How to download the map to the unit? Just click on the icon right here, offline map. As you can see, we already download the map. Okay, click on this one, and then you can select which area you want to download to the unit. Okay, so once you download the map to the unit, next time when you use the Google Map, you don't need to connect to Wi-Fi anymore because the map data has already been saved in the unit. Okay, so basically it's very nice. Okay, I'm gonna show you how a little bit on the setting. Okay, so basically click on the setting right here. Okay, it comes to two interface, modern style and the classic style right here. I'm gonna show you a little bit here so you can see that clearly. Okay, so probably here. Okay, we just changed the classic style, and then you can see the system will change the interface. All right, so I prefer because too bright, okay, but I prefer the modern theme. Okay, on the setting right here, okay, modern theme. Okay, and also you come the daytime mode and nighttime mode. Daytime mode is you will change everything to dark, okay, which I prefer. I prefer this color. It will be easier for you to see, right? Okay, so other than that, of course, you can also change the language right here, change the unit here. Radio region depends on your area. Okay, we are in Canada, located in North America, so we need to select North America right here. Okay, oh. And then other than that, of course, you can also select the antenna power. You don't need to worry about that one. Equalizer is right here. Okay, you can change any of the setting right here. Okay, and gain, sound gains, where you can also select the volume based on every single specific application. For example, you want the radio to be louder, then you can also adjust the volume right here. All right, and the video is right here. What that means is you can turn off the video emotion feature from the setting menu. Okay, if you're concerned about the safety, then you can just turn off this feature. User is right here. You can define the default navigation. For example, I want to set it to Maps, Google Map, or maybe Waze. Okay, then you can also adjust from here. You can also select the boot up logo right here. Okay, app customize, that means 1 2 3 4 5. That means you will also allow you to customize the interface. All right, and you can also set up the music online. For example, I want to say to Spotify. Okay, and yeah, other than that, system is right here. All right, and then you can go to Android setting. Okay, and then you can change the wallpaper from here. Okay, display is right here, wallpaper. Okay, you can also download any of the wallpaper here. All right, and then other than that, of course, you can also change this the time zone. Okay, under the setting, Android setting, date and time, you can select the time zone based on your area. All right, so it's basically very nice. All right, and other than that, of course, you can also go back. I'm gonna show you the radio here. Okay, oh, it's very sensitive. Okay, radio is right here. Okay, you.